Hey everybody, Martika here with Martika J Makes, and welcome you guys. I am so excited to share this piece with you. I don't know what to do. So if you are new to my channel, welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back. So today, first of all, I have to give all the credit to this piece to Shalisa with So She Designs. And you guys, if you have not checked out her channel, go and check her out. She participated in the My 5 Handmade Essentials, and she talked about this jumpsuit that I am wearing right now. And you guys, let me tell you, I am so happy that I put this together that I don't know what to do. I have had this pattern since last year, and we are referring to McCall's M8245. This one right here. And you guys, I actually did view B, this jumpsuit that she is wearing underneath this robe. Let me turn it around so that you can actually see the drawing. And this is view B right here. It is a one, all one. It's not a lot to put together. Let me tell you, the only pattern pieces that there is, and I got really excited when I saw this. For one, there's two pattern pieces, the front and the back. Excuse me, there's three. There's an elastic guide that you have to cut out if you want to consider that a pattern piece. That is it. When I saw that, I got so excited about sewing this that I could not cut out this pattern in this fabric fast enough. So let's talk about it a little bit. First of all, this is one of my fabrics that I showed you in my Hobby Lobby haul. And I'm talking about in the first Hobby Lobby haul that I did last week, because I just put up another one here recently. So I told you I didn't quite know. I knew that it would be cute as like pants, like some loose pants or a dress or something like that. But when she showed this jumpsuit, I said that would be perfect for my fruity fabric that I normally don't get, but I just love the oranges. I thought it was peaches, but these are actually oranges, you guys, that is on this fabric. It is perfect. And if you hear my little grandson in the background, he's in the other room watching cartoons, but I'm not going to interrupt him, and I hope he don't interrupt me, but we'll see. So I did cut a medium in this, and this only took 3 1/4 yards of fabric, you guys. So I have about 4 yards of this fabric. So I didn't even use all of the 3 1/4 yards of the fabric, because I actually had to shorten this, and I'll talk about that in a minute. But the suggested fabrics for this pattern is 35% moderate stretch knits, and that includes rib knits, cotton knits, French terry, and lightweight sweater knits. So this is a very lightweight knit. It is not heavy. This is a cotton knit, and it's just so comfortable. The only notions that you need for this pattern is 1 3/8 yards of 1/4 inch 1/4 inch wide inch fabric. Elastic. So 1/4 of an inch elastic is all you need, and you don't really even need all of that yardage, but just make sure that you have, you know, a pretty good size pack, because you will need enough to go around. That is for the neckline itself, and you'll see how that, you know, incorporates into these V's, but super easy. I had never sewn elastic into a neckline like that before, but it was really easy, you guys. So I did have to shorten this, as I do with most of my patterns, being only 5'2". So I did have to shorten it by about 3.5 inches, and I did that from the shorten and lengthen line on the pattern itself. However, after I finished making this, I had to shorten it by 2 more inches from the bottom, because it was really dragging the floor. Now, if this was something I was going to wear heels with all the time, it would have been perfect. But because I do know that I'll most likely have on tennis shoes or sandals with this, I did shorten it by 2 more inches. So I'm actually going to need to adjust that on the pattern, unless I know that it is going to be a more dressier piece, if I, you know, had a dressier fabric to make this out of. Now, the bust area, because I was in between a medium and a large for the bust area. I just graded it out, you guys, to what I needed. It was the medium was at 37 inches, and I needed 38 and a half inches. I don't know where I got 3 from, but 38 and a half inches. So I graded it out by 1.5 inches. And that was by taking that 1.5 inches, dividing it by 4 and grading it out on each pattern piece. And that way, you know, when I cut it out, all 4 pieces had the amount that was needed. Turned out perfect. Okay. That was pretty much the adjustments that this pattern needed. Remember, I'm only working with 2 pieces. Okay. So this piece is very comfortable to wear, you guys. It is really cool, like on a hot summer day. Very cool piece to wear. Very breezy. You have a lot of airways with the wide leg, with the, you know, no sleeves and all of that good stuff. Because of the elastic around the neckline, it is very easily restroom accessible. Okay. No issues, you guys, with what you have with a lot of jumpsuits, you know, when you have to go to the restroom. These come down so easily because of the elastic. I mean, that was just like gold for a jumpsuit. So very, very easy to go to the restroom if you're worried about that and want to make this. I highly recommend that you make this. If you have this pattern, you guys, View B is your friend, and I can see View A being your friend too. If you want to make it more into like a shorts, which I most likely will do, especially since I'm in love with this. Did it come out looking like the pattern drawing? I think it did. I think it did. You be the judge. I really do. You guys, I can't say enough good things about this. I have nothing negative to say about this pattern at all, and I'm so glad that I went on ahead and put this together. Shalisa, thank you so much for including this in your 5 handmade essentials, because this definitely has become an essential piece of mine too. So you guys, I'm going to thank you for watching this video. I'm going to run, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great one. Bye-bye.